Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today it is all about the chainsaw and more importantly the mini chainsaw. This is the one, and you see them all around Amazon, eBay, everywhere, and they're becoming really popular. So I thought I'd do a video to show you what sort of differences you can get with a mini chainsaw over a bad boy like that. And that is a full-scale, full-size chainsaw, but it's no good in a vegetable garden. And if we've got apple trees or something like that we need to cut down, then something like this could be absolutely perfect. Now, this one comes with a nice guard for your hand, which is good. And you'll also see that they do come with quite a huge battery as well. This is a 4000 millihour amp hour battery, and in this product we get 2 of them, so absolutely happy with that. It's a good thing to check out what safety features you've got. Always go for one with a chain guard and hand protection. These are important features to have, so make sure you pick one with that. And again, the higher amp battery, the better, the more work it'll be able to do. Now we've got this to cut some very big apple trees down. Well, not down, prune them. Summer pruning is now, so we do a light cut, but in the winter we cut them right back and they are very high. So in that case, I needed a mini chainsaw that I can use remote on the allotment, so the battery back is more important to me. And I've got this as well that goes with it. It is a pole and it extends up to 2.50 meters. It gives you absolutely loads of reach. The battery attaches on the bottom to give you really good weight, and the pole extends, which I'll show you out in the garden. So we have our pole. Let's go ahead and connect the chainsaw to it, and it's as easy as clip it in and lock it into place. They also are similar, and when you're searching the internet for one of these, you want to be looking for a pole mini chainsaw. And as I said, you can do 2 different levels up to 2.5 meters. Let's go ahead and put the battery into the bottom of a device, and it's locked and loaded, ready to go. All we do is we hit the trigger and it'll start cutting. Again, really long reach on this, and that's going to get into those apple trees as we want it to. So that's for my winter pruning, and it's going to come in really handy when we've got a busy vegetable garden. I see it all the time on the allotment as well. New people will come, they'll plant a tree, they'll leave, someone else will take over, and those trees, well, they can get massive. So we do need to manage the allotment site as well as anything. Now with your little chainsaws as well, it's very good to note you will need to keep them topped up with a chainsaw oil. Now this is an ISO of 100, it's a litre, and you just top it up here, and on this one we've got a nice little gauge to show us how full or empty it is. And again, with the big ones, we have that tank, we keep them full, and you want the special chainsaw oil for that as well. This one comes with a strap to keep it on your shoulder, but let's see how well this cuts, because that's what we want. We want a chainsaw we can hold in our hand and we can cut. So let's go ahead and do that now. So as you see, we've got a huge pile of wood here. Let's give this a go. Bye butter. As easy as that.